Everyone, welcome to Digital Technologies, and we are here with part 3 of Employee Management System. So let's start today's video. It is, let's go back, and I'm going to do programming for search button now. So I'm going to click here, and we are back on the screen coding window. And here we need to first declare the variables which we are supposed to use today in this programming. Dim I search that will be equal to worksheet worksheets, and then I'm going to define here sheet 1 dot range double quotes a1 dot current region dot rows dot count. So where is the error? So error is here, which we are going to change. Let me do one thing. Let me put it down, and I'm going to write this one because here we need to define the variable. So I'm going to write as double as long, and I would be taking one more variable which will be I as long also. So that's good to go. Now I'm going to erase this one. I search will be equal to this line worksheet sheet 1 range a1 current region rows and count. For I is equal to 1 2 I search, next line, if trim bracket sheet 1 dot cells I comma 1 trim in bracket txt search dot text bracket close, and I is equal to I search then okay, then message box will have a message which will be invalid input or data we can write txt search dot text text is equal to, in double quotes we are going to write here nothing because we want that to be empty, txt search dot set focus, and if. Next we are going to write if I'm going to copy this line, better let me remove this one, and I'm going to copy this line. No, not here, yeah, this place. Let me paste it here. I'm going to remove this sign. I'm going to put equal sign, and here let me put here bracket, and Here also one more. Fine. Or let me copy this line because I need to execute this one. So I'm going to copy this line. Paste. Okay, I want that much only because I don't want if to be repeated. So I will be copying and pasting this much. And I'll go in next line. And I'll be pasting it again. Now I'm going to, okay, these are 3 lines. Now I'm going to copy these 3 lines and I'll be pasting them down 1 time, 2 time, 3. That way it is 9 and 12, 18 and 24, 21 and 24. Okay. Was because of that word search. So we are going to change it now. We are going to change these numbers. 5 and then 6. It's going to be 7. It's going to be 8. It's going to be 9. This one 9 here. It's going to be 10. This is going to be 11. This is going to be 12. This is going to be 13. Similarly 14, then 15, then 16, then 17, then 18, and then 19, and then 20, and then 21, and then 22, and this is going to be 23, and this is going to be 24. Okay, and here we have written then. That's good to go. Now we are going to write down text txt. Let me copy some data from here because I need the name of the text boxes. So I just want the text box's name, but I need to copy this whole data. Let me copy it. Then I'm going to paste it down. We remove this one. I'm going to write. Now I just need to remove the half of the portion like this one. I just need to remove it. I'll be removing this portion also. And now I'll be removing this particular line. That's good. I'll be removing this one. What is happening? I don't know. Okay, let me remove this one. Let me remove this. I think there is something. Let me remove this portion. And now I'm going to remove this one. Let me change it. And I would be writing here equal and then sheet 1 dot cells, this one, and then I'm going to define I comma 1 bracket close. I'll be copying the same line because I would be needing to paste it down. I'll be pasting it here. It will be 2. Now I'm going to paste it here. I would change this number 3 and I'm going to remove this portion. Similarly, I'll be removing the next lines because I want the name of the text boxes only. Okay, let me write here txt surname, dot text. Now txt address dot text. Now I'm going to paste the text which I copied, equal sheet dot cells, sheet 1 dot cells. In bracket it will be I comma 4. In the next line, let me copy this, that will be good to go. I'm going to paste it down. Now I would be changing a bit information like address. I'm going to change it to gender, and here I'll change this number from 4 to 5. Now I'm going to paste one more line, and here I would be changing this word address to mobile number, and this number from 4 to 6. It should be 6. Now that's good. Here also I can put equal sign and then I can paste this line. Let me copy this half portion. Okay, let me paste it here. Fine. Let me change the 6. Good to go. Let me remove this one. I'll be removing this extra space. Pasting the line. I would change the 6, 8. Let me remove this one. And I'm going to paste the line again. It will be 9. I'll be removing this portion now, and this one also, and this one also, this one also. Let me do one thing. Let me remove these extra spaces. Let me put equal sign and paste the line. It would be 10. Equal sign and paste the line. It would be 11. Equal sign and paste the line. Then it is going to be 12. Now I would remove the extra space and I would be writing equal and then pasting the line. It will be 13. I need to remove this one now. Okay, equal, and then I'm going to paste. It would be 14. Let me remove this one. I would be doing same thing, equal and then paste. This will change from 14 to 15. Now I would remove this line, this one, and then I would be writing equal and then pasting. This number I'll change 16. I'll be removing this one. Now I'll put here, let me remove this one also. Here also I would be removing. This also I'm going to remove. Similarly, I'll remove the extra part which I don't want now. I have removed it for 20th line. Now I'm going to remove it for 21. Now it will writing equal sign and then going to paste the line. I would be changing it to 17. Here I would write equal and then I'm going to paste again. It would be 18. Similarly, I'm going to follow. I'll be pasting and changing the number in a sequence. But we have only 24 places, and why there is something which is missing here, something which is being repeated. Let me check from starting. Where is that portion which is being repeated? Let me delete it. now I'm going to change these numbers 70. Now, because we have 24 text boxes and I have written till 23, there is one number which is missing. Let me check which text box is missing now. So here I'm going to add net pay that was missing. Dot tax is equal to sheet 1, same line copied, and now I'm going to erase this when 24. It's going to be 24. So that's, I guess now it's okay. Here I'll write exit. I want to exit for, and I'm going to and if next I. Let me remove these extra spaces. Let me cross check it if there is anything else which is also missing. I think everything is looking fine now. Let me go here. Let me try this. I am going to, let me see few names which are also here. Let me search here the names. I'll write here Lata. Now I'm going to find out. Yeah, this search button is working. I can even use this update. This display button is working well. Update is also working. I can even search for other names. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you for watching.